welcome. Welcome to the stream. It's a good day, not a bad day. So let's do some programming today. So yeah, let's turn on the brightness. Yep. Graphics standard. Yep. We got something running up here. Let's open up a chat. Would be chat. Sound is quite loud, so reduce it to 5.5. Yo, okay, sounds good. Not bad. We got the chat open. Everything is open. Then let's refresh this thing. Yep, let's OBS close. Right, okay. Let's go to create a dashboard. Okay, not bad. Let's see the frame rate. It's working. Okay, good. Not bad. Let's see. Okay, we got yeah, we live. Okay, let's go. Okay, the webcam position is right. Everything is good. Let's see. Let's make it. See. Yeah, we live. We are on. Let's see. Let's go. So we were working on the generating thing. So let's make output frame in function generate impact error output undeclared. So it is in line 59. So we don't have an output frame. So for now, we could just write the frame once. So in the meanwhile, we could look at his way of doing how he did it, and let's see. Chat squiggling. Could write to the output frame. Maybe we could pass in the output. I guess that's the right thing to do. Don't know. Let's put this right here. So yeah, I would say I would pass in the output, I guess. I would pass in the output here, output, and then we could accept output as file YCbCr. So we might have to accept as a pointer. I don't know. Yes, so Chat C programmer. Hello, Matt Flash. How are you doing? How's your day begin? So generate line 90 would be frame count is int, but we are passing as a float, so we are passing in the wrong thing, I guess. Wait, frame count, pixel, width, size, and pixels. That's weird. That's weird. Okay, frame count. Why frame count here? No, I guess so. Let's make again segmentation fault. What the hell? What the fuck is output? Output is the file name. It's a pointer to a file. So here, it's this one. So let's see. GCC does compile. Weird name output. Let's go. What should it be then? Double free corruption code dump. What? Did I do anything wrong here? You must free your memory twice. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is sus. Oh, I guess I'm closing the file. No. Yeah, this is sus. So by the way, we could just do the arrow. Let's see. So we pass in the width here. Pass in the width. Pixel size would be, yeah. And then we get pixels and output, correct? We write to the file. I mean, we open the file, and then we write something to the file. We loop to the frames. Frame count is essentially a FPS of duration. So if we go 30 frames, so it's roughly a second. I mean, half a second. So and then we make it as a float. We pass in the luma with random pattern. So random pattern would be, yeah, we do some sketchy stuff there. Yeah, random pattern doesn't matter because it's just putting bunch of how do we say it? Bunch of colors in retro aspect of it. So that doesn't really matter. What does matter is we have to write to the file correctly. So generate youth and peg. So this would be we get the width and height, yes. Okay, we write the frame on the next line. Wait, is it okay? Next line. Cool. Because we do have this next line, so the frame would be next line, and then the output of this F-write would be next line of the frame. Right, so if I make it, and then if I view, right, so we got this line, correct? We got the frame, wait, okay, we got the frame, we jump to the next line, we output another frame. Hi there, Dev. Is this assignment for CS50? No, it is not. It is a project of mine, which is essentially it's like you can follow from this guy. So Zoning Daily, you can see how he does it. So I'm just looking at his thing and just trying to figure out how he did that and trying to implement in my version. So basically like following a tutorial but writing in different language, I guess. He wrote it in Rust, I'm writing in C, so yeah. But I'm trying to understand how he did it, and so that I don't just copy paste his thing. So I have to think in C, and I don't know C well, so I have to think in C and then yeah, just write it in my way, so I might learn something out of it. But yeah, it's interest. I mean, it's cool that he did this. Like how do we say it? Like you could pipe it and then add it to the pixels. So yeah, got skinny. Why do you copy paste? I don't. I I look. No, it's for CS69. Hi supervisor. Hello. Yeah, so trying to implement in my version of it. So you could say it's like following a tutorial, but in another language, I guess. Make your own design, like own video format. I can't make my own video format. I can only use other people's video format. The video format I'm using is this, so it's U4 Pack 2. So yeah, you could use this video format, which is dot u y4m, yeah, and then you could write some output frames to that. Yeah, how else would you get used to it? Used to what? Copy paste equals programming. Okay, so let's see. We got an segmentation. No, we got a code dump. So I guess it's because of closing the file. Oh, holy shit! What the fuck? Whoa, you saw that? Damn. So that was like half a second, because we are running at 30 FPS, right? And then duration is 1, so basically 60 I mean 1 second is 60 frames. So you can think it as like 1 second is 60, I don't know how to call it, but it's like 1 minute is 60 seconds, 1 second is 60 frames, something like that, I don't know. And half of 60 frames is 30, so if you want to make it 1 second, we increase the duration, and then the frame count would be FPS into the multiply with duration, so it would be 60, so it would be 1 second exactly. So if we make this, it will take a little bit longer, but it will be one. Okay, so how about we make it 5? So 5 would be, let's do the math, right? So 30 into 5, we got 150 divided by 60, it's essentially 2.5 seconds. So if we make this, I mean run make command, it would take a little bit longer, but a little bit longer. Let's make it like 10 seconds. So 10 seconds, 60, wait, 6, no, I don't know how to do the math. What was it? Okay, 2 from 5. So how about we take 2.5 multiply 60, we get 150. but okay, so 10 second would be 600, and is it 10? Just 10? 10, 30 into 10 would be 300. Yeah. Okay, I got it. So it'll be 20 because I have to add more. Got it, because I'm halving. Okay, makes sense. So let's make it, and then I have to take a while. Oh, look at this, look at this. Oh, holy mother flopping shit. Let's see. Your dad should school you about this. My dad went for a dinner, I guess. I don't know where he went. He left Twitch, so I mean he left. I don't know where he went though. He usually get off this time, but I don't know. CS50 starting new year season. Ooh, really? Okay. 1 second is 1 millisecond. Millisec. You should do Control D to exit. Control D, yeah, oh, yeah. Oh, you mean with the Python? Control D? Yeah, sometimes I do Control D and I but sometimes I accidentally hit Control D again, so it would exit the terminal, and that's annoying. So the save command is using exit, but this exit it needs this, so yeah, you could use Control D. It's like, so if you do exit, yeah, it would say use exit or Control D, so Control D, yeah. So let's make it like 5, right? Beauty. So yeah, if anyone have any questions, you can ask, but as you see in title, pro question are not allowed, only noob question are allowed. So if I know, I can answer your questions. But yeah, if you ask some complicated questions, I will just say no. You'll get timeout. I'm just kidding. How many bits are in byte? How many bits are in byte? There are 8 bits in 1 byte. So I'm not sure you could. Oh man, I hate the sounds. Should I close the door? Yeah, I should. Just a second, I'll close the door. So there will be no sound for you. Bing! So the question was, how many bits are in bytes? There are 8 bits in bytes. So you would don't trust me, as always. I might be wrong. So I think there's 8 bits in bytes. There are bits are 1s and 0, and then yeah. So bits are base 2. I think 1s and 0. Yeah, there are 8 bits in 1 byte. Thank the Lord, you're learning something. Yeah. 8 bits in 1 byte. It's fucking hot. Okay, so we got some frames, so we could check the output of the file. Okay, and then Vim fucked up. Oh, let's see. So width is 800 by 600. I mean, the width is 800, the height is 600. We are running 150 frames. No, this is frame rate 150. Ah, is it how it works? 30 into 5? I see. Okay, so we have 150 frames. So we could do make again. Yep, so zip. Nice. We could view the frame in here. Yep, and then we could, yeah. So yep, cool. So let's see. Okay, so we got the frame here, so we might have to refactor this a bit because it's kind of a shit way to do it. So essentially what we want is a load bar, right? F close. So we could F close the thing after we finish everything. So we could close and tell it's generated. So yep. So let's make, and then yep, and then do we get generated output, and then we close stuff up. Cool, very nice. So this function, I mean this, wait, so this could go in the UV, I mean generate UV pattern. So void UV impact UV pattern. So and then take it as a void first, I guess. Cool. Generate, I see. So this could go in there, right? This could go in here. Doesn't really matter because we are doing some stuff there. And then if we run the program, would this work? So F close doesn't work because it's some stuff. Wait, let's try this. Yeah, I knew that will work. So F close would be here. 58. Open file. I think I got it. So we might have to remove the argument open file, so let's remove it, and then we could remove from the arguments from here, and then let's make. Okay, width and height, essentially we don't want width and height here because we have for W H, and then frame count is, we need frame counts. That sucks. Okay, let's pass in frame counts. Let's pass in frame count, and then we could do something like int frame count, and then would this work? Okay, we got less error, but yeah. So output undeclare. What? Okay, so we are closing the wrong file, so we might have to close here, and then doesn't work. strange, huh? Strange. Okay, so refractory doesn't work. I wonder why. So if I make this works. Yep. But then okay, something sketchy is going on here, but we could commit this first and then we could save it in GitHub, so if we messed up we can revert back and stuff. So let's commit this and get add -p and then okay. So let's split it. Random pattern, yes. Split. What is this crap? Okay. Not now. Okay. So we could right. So create random pattern for testing the YCbCr. So get push. So we could commit that. Okay, so let's see. This is for generating the output. Yes. Split that. No for now. Okay. So yep. This is for create a function that generates U4 MPEG 2. Yep. And then if we let's split this up, we could add this, remove that, and then comment this later. So we could do create and frame count for making the video longer, right? So if that will be there, if we see this, this would be logic. Creating a file, adding pixels. Creating a file and adding pixels to the file. Okay, so get push it. Cool. Very nice. Very fucking nice. So yep. Wait a minute. So are we on GitHub even? So we could check. Let's see. So we could check on GitHub. Alright, cool. Not bad. Alright, we got GitHub. Cool. So do you want me to write code in VS Code? Because I want to try. By the way, my finger is so swollen, if you can see. It's swollen as fuck. this finger is swollen right here. So if you compare this with this, so it's basically swollen. Yeah. Yeah, go for it. Okay, let's write code in VS Code. So yeah, I mean the VS Code has terminal, right? I guess. Yeah, so why not, VS Code. Oof, oof, the whiteness in my eye, it's killing me. Is it too bright? Too much? It's oh my god, this is too bright. God damn it. Yeah, this is too bright. Yeah, whatever. It doesn't matter, is it bright or less dark mode? Yeah, I don't know, it's the default one, so I just download it and yeah. What we want is we want to write code. That's it. Doesn't really matter. It's white, black, brown, green, blue, or any crap. Right? So it's not a default. It is, I think. Blackish. I don't know, maybe I set it up, I don't know. Is it too bright? If it's too bright, then it's like, for me it's fine, I can work with it, but if it's too bright, then we could just use GNOME terminal. You can't see. Oh, okay, sure. Just use GNOME terminal. So yeah, so we might have to refactor this code a bit. So this will be const. Mickey. Whoa, that's cool. Isn't that cool? Am I just the one who excited about my project and no one is excited about my project? Change your pixels size to const int. Whoa! Someone just called me. Fuck off. Pushy, committee. Wait, a dot out. What the fuck? Run. Generated. Cool. Make. Is that your GF? No, I don't have one. I would like to have one, but I don't have one. So how would we refactor this into its function? So this would be writing the file and closing the file would be in a function called generate UFOPEG. Let's call it UFOPEG, and this loop would be for creating different patterns. So I guess we could put this in a function, and then for generating, essentially this function should have these two lines because it's creating and generating, but so writing frames to output. So we create the file, we go to loop the file, get the pixels. Yeah, I think this doesn't really matter for now. So we could comment this out. We could take this frame count, which is essentially okay. We could take this and put it here, and then let's make it. I know it's gonna cause some error, but output file. Yeah, we could remove output, I guess. So that would reduce something. So this would be just W, and this would be H. Frame count would be let's see, frame count. So int frame count, and then we could pass in we could say frame count here because we don't need anything else. Yeah, this doesn't work. Why? That's fucking sus. Why does it doesn't work? Because I'm a fucking idiot. Very nice. Very nice. Because we are generating each file. Okay, that makes perfect sense. Because we are looping through that file, and then that will not work. Go. Okay. Is someone calling me? Just a sec. Hi, Dad. What's up? What's up? My hands so wet. Just went for a pee-pee. Let's see. So we might have to do some. So make. Very nice. But why do I have the boxes? Wait, we could open on something else, I think. Whoa! The color are different, by the way, if you didn't recognize. So with Mplayer, what with Mplayer you could okay, and then with yeah, it's different color if you see like carefully. How do I compare it? Is it different? So okay, this is a blue and pinkish. It's kind of reddish and stuff. Then this. Okay, and then it will go to pink, purple, and then or light gray. Okay, makes sense. How about M? Oh. Okay, so this is completely different than that. This is little bit okay, so this is a little bit darker. If you see, it's darker, and this is a little bit solid color. It's not pixelated, I guess. And this green is a little bit darker. So if I go and then purplish, this would be in VLC. It's a little bit light gray, and this is something else. And this two is same. Yeah, it's kind of close, I think. Kind of close enough. Compile with wall. You are affiliate now. Are you affiliate now? You mean in Twitch? I don't think so. I think I'm not qualified for. How do I check if I'm affiliate or not? I could apply for one. Like if I have the requirements. You got like 50 followers. Yeah, it's basically from Stragger, so I mean, I think he rated me once or twice. I don't remember, but or maybe, I don't know. So how do I apply it? Life biggest achievement, yeah. Stream? No. Affiliate? No, not this. How do I apply it? I don't know. You're almost affiliated. Okay, so yeah, I don't have the requirements. Yeah, sorry. So it's like this. I will just share it with you. So get 50 followers. Okay, stream 8 hours per month. Okay, that's I have like 13.3, and then stream 7 days per month. I got that, but average 3 viewers. I have 2.6. So yeah, I don't have the requirements. So it's we need 3 average viewer, and I have 2.6. So yeah, whatever. Let's have fun, right? Let's have fun. Programming is fun. Who want to get affiliate? Like, no one. But if its requirement are there, then why not, you know? But if it's not there, then who gives a fuck? We are just enjoying, we're just programming, we want to learn more stuff, you know? So we could put this in a function, but the function will get loop and loop and loop and loop and loop and loop. So why do I need this? unused variable. Why do I need that? Whoa, nice, very nice. Pixel size, do I need pixels? Yes, to shift, and then blah blah blah. So yep, and then yep, so this is generating files. So this is creating. I think we could just leave it as it is, so it doesn't really matter. But how is your make file? I didn't make this file. Make file. It was someone else's. They gave it to me. I mean, it was one of. I was in my dad chat, in the chat in Twitch. My dad, Stragger. So yeah, a girl give it to me. This, so I just copy paste it. But I do understand, so it's good. So boom, cool, very nice. So yeah, we could commit this. Commit. So okay, so we would say this as remove unused variables. I didn't know. How could you run command like that? Remove. Wait, did I misspell? Thank you. Amend. Remove. Get push origin master pushy. Go. I didn't know, but I could run command like that. What? I didn't know you could. Oh, you didn't know you could run command like that? Yeah, you could just do makefile and then just create a. So this is like a compiler, I think. So you could do anything here, and then -o is just creating an executable file. And then this is the main file. Just run the file and run with Mplayer. aka rape. What's it aka rape? Okay. So yeah. So let's move on to the new task, right? With the new age. So let's understand how we let's see. So let's make our code better. Yeah, I always get confused with this. In Python, you have to go to all the files. So essentially, if you create a variable in main, it's a global variable, I guess. I don't know if it's true or not, but if we create like width and height, it's global variable. It is? I don't know. Try and play a loop 0 output. It is local. Oh, I see. Yeah, I always get confused with like if you change like for example here, right? So I create a pixel. Oh, forgot to run. Okay, so Mplayer dash loop 0 output. This. Whoa. but I don't know which color does it start, you know, like which color does it, it's kind of confusing. Cool. Or we could add that to the notes, so let's create notes, so Mplayer dash loop 0 and then file dot so press O to show the timeline. O. What? I don't know. Yeah, it's cool. X. What the fuck, knock on the door? Who the fuck? That was my parent, by the way. What was I doing? Oh yeah, so it's local variable. Yeah, so we create a pixel here on this line, and then we run this random pattern. So we pass in the pixel here. I mean, we pass in the pixel here, and then we could change the pixel, right? We changed the pixel, but we didn't return the pixel, so that generate youth pack could use that assign pixel on random pattern. So in Python, I think that wouldn't work because we got to return that stuff because it's local variable, I guess. I don't know. It disappears when it loops. Yeah, anyone could explain that? Why does that work in C? Because I didn't because when I was writing the code, I was just like, oh, okay, just slap things up and then let's see, and then apparently it works. So I don't know how it works. It was a fluke. So yeah, because if it's a local variable, you can't change the local variable in other function. Are you talking about returning an array list? No. So I create this function. I create this array. Yeah, array, and then so we pass that array in here, which is in random pattern, and then in random pattern we get the array. We assign we get the position of the array, so 0, 1, 2, 3, and then we assign with the color. So, and then don't we have to return this guy, like return this, so that the next function which is generate youth could use the pixel which is already assigned in random pattern. So yeah, so I don't know how it does that, because if I and then generate youth will get the color and stuff. I thought it would be just a blank zeros because I just created width and height, so it would be just 0. Oh, I assigned to 0 color to assign 0. So yeah, so I did assign 0 so that it assigned all zeros. So but like, am I colorblind? Yeah, I see color. Yeah, that is color. Yeah, shouldn't be like all zeros. It had the same. Try it. You think so? It will work in Python the same? Like, because if I create a list in Python list here, I put the function, I change something in the list inside a function, and try to get the and create another function to read. Okay, let's try. The best idea is try, right? So main.py. So let's okay, so def main. We create an, let's say, pixels, right? Let's so we got this. So let's say assign color, right? We accept, so we call this function assign color. We pass in pixels, semicolon, and then we will say int. Wait, no, I'm fuck, this is too much C. How is it? Yeah, just pixels. Okay, just pixels. I love you, Python. I love you. And then let's say that. Wait, this is so confusing. Yeah, okay, this is just, okay, we don't have to worry about that. So let's say pixels, we like, do we need for loop? I don't know, I forgot. Can I just assign all zeros? Can I do that like this? I forgot. I'm being serious, I just forgot. Oh, it worked. I just forgot Python. So we assign all the zeros in here. Okay, and then we want to say print list, right? So pixels. So print. What the fuck? I just forgot how to write Python. I just completely forgot how to write Python. Okay, never mind. Let's for x in range, let's say range 100, right? Let's say 50, right? And then we could say append x. That's simple. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then yep, nothing. That's, oh man, what the fuck? I'm fuck dumb ever. Oh, okay. Who calls me? Yeah, sorry dad, I forgot. I'm a C programmer, you know. I forgot. Yeah, I forgot. Okay, so oh, it works. Huh. Wait, so we assign pixel here, which is local variable. We assign color, so we can just say assign color, whatever, just assign color. So basically we assign 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 until 49, and then we don't have to return it, and then we could just get the pixel here, which is assigned in this function. Oh, okay. I didn't know about that. Huh. So why do we need global variable if we can use this? I thought globals are for this purpose, because if you change something here, you can't get the same thing in this function, so you need global to get the same thing in different functions. So I thought that was the purpose of global, but if the local variable works, then why do we need global? Why do we need? We could just fucking test that out. So it's the same. Globals are when you don't want to pass thing as a parameter all the time. I see. Oh snap. So if I remove this, right, remove this, right, and would this work? I don't think so. What the fuck? My life was a lie. My life was a lie. I thought this won't work, but it would work. Huh. So wait, I don't need like global pixels like this. Huh. God damn. God fucking damn. Okay. You're getting straggled. You only need to write global pixel. You only need to write global pixel if you write. Okay, I understand. So earlier I asked this question, right? So if append, it works with append, but it doesn't work with the. So okay, got it. So if it's a0, and if you want to say a equals 1, this will not work because it's a how do we say it? It's something bullshit crap that it doesn't work because of reasons. Yeah, you get 0, but yeah, I was expecting get 0, so yeah. But then if you do global here, which you do a, I expect to get 1. Snap. Okay, make fucking sense. Okay, I understand. So it was a list, and then I don't really understand how things works, but okay, I just remember that okay, list is just list. So okay, fine. Okay, this makes sense, right? Okay, so same with C. Okay. That's what happens if you take too much YouTube courses and you don't learn the basic fundamental. That's what happens. Just like me, don't know shit. How does it work? You just know, okay, we need this to do this. That's so crappy. I will show you what I mean. So if you go to YouTube, Python tutorial. Right. Yeah, this guy. Good video, but crappy. Doesn't teach anything. I will say which I can remember all this crap that I did. I can remember this guy. This guy even have a tattooed, if I don't remember. A fucking tattooed here like a python. This guy is out of his mind. I remember this. Like he have a tattooed, I think. Like a Coursera tattooed right here. Coursera. I don't know, like, does it even show it? I remember this all stuff. Yeah, this guy teaches how things work. Like this is really good. Like computer hardware, and then he teaches about Python, and then central processing unit. Yes, memory, yes, secondary memory. Oh man, good memories. Where's the tattoo? I don't know. This course is really good, but like, can you see here? Like there's some tattooed, I think. I don't know. Like this. Nothing. This is variables. If you go to variables, there you go. If you do price equals 10, and if you print a price with a string, you get price. But if you don't have the quotes, you get 10. That's what I was taught. Nothing, no memory, don't worry about it. If you want to get 10, if you want to plus, you just create a new variable, and then plus sign, and then that variable, and then print the new variable. That's how you do it. Yep. Good old days. Yeah, I went through this course, went to this, even went to this, I don't know, this, like this. I also went to intermediate, also went to this. I did this. I did. This I did. Yeah. Many. When is Jan chat? Let's read the chat. In Python, it depends. Okay. I mean, some free load cam. Can't trust both. Yeah. But the guy was good, but then he didn't teach in detail. But yeah, whatever. I think we learned. Yeah. How do we do it? Yeah, I was trying. Yeah, I remember. I remember the first, at first when I started programming, like in Python, I didn't know what to do, so I was so bored. And then I saw some GitLab. GitLab was like, at that time was, I don't know, people was using GitLab. So let's see, do I have GitLab? I don't know. I was using GitLab like way. Let's see. I think I have GitLab. So you could see some crappy Git repository. I mean GitLab repo. Okay, let's see. Users. I don't even know my username. It was this, I think. Me member since. Yes. I remember this. Yep. No projects, nothing. There was a project, by the way, but I don't remember. Yeah, there was a project, but I don't know. Fuck it. All this. Yeah, I remember. can I get my old things back? I don't know, let's see. I wanna get my old code back, but I forgot. Man. You remember Stragger? The thing when I was when I was like when I always want to give you code, I just give you the repository, which is like the Python, just like Python. You remember? Like it was just like the repo was just like /Python, and there were like Pygame and stuff. I want to get that. Fuck. I think I lost it. God damn it. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, it was so many folders. It's fine. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, totally forgot about that. I used to have that. Yeah. In the meanwhile, we could. Okay, let's go to our code. Okay, so we create const in, we're not changing width and height. If we change, we just write. Okay, cool. And then int, can we make this const? No, we can't, because we are doing something here, so we can't do that. Okay, forget about that. Const in pixel size, yes. Const FPS, yes. Okay, so assign 0 would be here. Assign 0, we are using pixels, yes. Pixel size, yes. Cool. Okay, so file, pointer, output, open the file. So if the file, so let's say if the file is not exist, it creates the file. Okay, I think this doesn't really matter to error check, but yeah, whatever. Okay, and then we output this line to the file. We are on new line. Frame counts as this. Okay, and then we loop to this. Yeah, we just generate a random RGB to just play with the colors, and then random pattern we get the stride. Okay, pixels, are we using pixel? Yes. Stride, pixel size, luma, it's here. Okay, so we get the width and the height. Are we using height? Yes. And then x and y. Okay, this function looks fine. And then generate youth would be stride. We're not using, so we could just remove this. That's how I refactor my code, by the way. I would like to have a tool that say, oh, this is unused parameter, this is not used, or something like that. Linter would be perfect, but apparently C linter sucks. Python linters are good, like pylint are good. They just say, oh, this variable is unused. And so pixel size, let's see, we are using it, yes. Pixel, yes. Oh, we could do one thing. That tool exists, use. Really? Okay, so in here we could omit this line, because essentially we could just read it to this pixel. So yeah, we could just remove this. But let's see, with that flag in the compiler would you could see the issue, I think. So okay, so dash O, and then do I do here dash wall extra in GCC? Okay. Wait, GCC dash wall dash the and then this. Yeah, nothing. I guess my code is good. So let's add this to notes for checking unused. Which is dash wall extra. Okay. So we could, let's experiment. Let's see, we are here, we remove these pixels, right? And then because we can read, so would this work? I don't think so. Yeah, I knew it. Except if this pixel is a global variable. But yeah, it's okay. We could just pass that. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Output would be output here. Yeah, code looks fine. So let's experiment. Let's say int RGB, right? Let's create some random variables, and let's see would so unused. I see. Okay, this is useful. So let's see what is so does it GCC GCC dash wall so okay, dash wall. This enables all the warnings about constructions. Did I read that correct? This enables all the warning about construction that some user consider questionable and that are easy to avoid or modify to prevent the warning, even in conjunction with macros. This also enables some language specific warnings described in C++. Dialect. How to read this? Direct. You mean direct? A particular form of language in particular
dialect.
I don't know. Dialect, okay. Dialect option. I could read this, but I didn't understand nothing. Let's get some water. This enables all the warnings. Okay, makes sense. It enables all the warnings about construction. So construction is just like building and construction. Okay, so let's assume that it enables warning, so questionable and then easy to avoid or modify, prevent warnings, even the construction with macros. What is macros? I think someone explained macros, but I forgot again. Macros meaning in computer. No, not mouse macro, you fucking faggot. In program. Okay, makes sense. I see. Okay, macros. Return warning flags. Okay, these are the warnings. Okay, so note that some warnings flags are not implied with the wall. Some of them warning about construction that users generally consider questionable, but which occasionally you might wish to check for. Others warn about construction. What the hell is construction? Is it like building?
Construction.
Yeah. Whoa. Construction in C. Construction. Oh, data type. Okay. And then some of them enrolls wall extra, but okay, let's see. Wall W extra. This is wall and wall extra. Wall. Okay. This is like more deeper, so it checks the signs, checks the expressions and stuff. Okay, so basically we just need 2 for checking all the stuff and everything. Okay. Yeah. See in 2021? Yes. What if you're not familiar what we are doing, we are generating a video in C. So what I'm doing is there's a video format called U4PEG2 which you can write specific code to generate some video for you. So just now you see this video, right? It's purely generated with how many lines of code? 91 lines of code. Yep, it's generated by code. So yeah, so basically you just add pixels, you write a bunch of pixels to a file. So basically so there's a file, you open the file, you put some requirements to the file. So the file extension, the width and height of the file, and then the frame rate, and then the pixels, and then some stuff, right? And then you could do again, and then you can write as a byte to the file. So which is, if you do if you run the file, you get this, and this file is output.y4m. so you will see, bang, you will see this. So this is just a bytes or bits, I don't know, maybe bytes of pixels written in the file, and then you can use Mplayer to read the file, and then you will get the display. So yeah, so you got the bytes, and then if you use Mplayer, and then you could just say Mplayer, please open this file for me and read the file extension. Boom, get that. Isn't that cool? So it recognizes it is 800 by 600, it is 150 frames. So FPS is like not, it's not like the FPS, like it's not what we use in today to describe how much refresh rate, but this is just telling it is 150 frames. So 150 frames is it's like 2.5 seconds. Yeah, 2.5 seconds. So just now you saw a 2.5 second video generated in C code. Yeah. So you could do a bunch of things in here. Wow, that was sick. Yeah. Okay, so by the way, it's not purely I'm kind of following this guy, which is Zoling Daily. You can check his thing out. He do this stuff. So he's writing in Rust, but I'm writing in C. So I might take some idea of him, and then we might implement our style. So yeah, and then we're just learning and seeing like, oh, how did he output the pixel in the frame and stuff. Yeah. Let's see. So he did some stuff there. Let's see. He got a little bit brighter color than mine. Mine was like another color because I tried different math than him. So his one went dark and then pink. Mine was something else because it was different math than his. So mine was a darker green and then going to a pinkish, and then a solid, and then after that would be another color. What part of the world are you in? I'm in the country called, I don't know how to say it. It's this. Just kidding. It's Thailand. So, wow. Cool. Ladyboy village. Yeah. It's kind of cool. So we got YCbCr formula here. So if we want to generate RGB color, we could use this formula to. So if you see, so there's R, G, and then B, G, R. So let's say if you want to generate a purple color, right? A purple. So you would just put the RGB values of the purple color. So purple would be something like RGB. So purple would be, let's say, purple, okay, would be 1280128. So you would put 128 here, 0 and 128, and then so on and so forth, and then you'll get the color in YCbCr, which the file format accept as a YCbCr, and then you get a solid red color. How about that, huh? How about that? So let's do that. By the way, we got a PDF which you can see the formula. I have screenshotted right here. Show. This nugget can come here. Snap. And then let's implement the string. So let's say def too much Python. Convert RGB. Convert. Wait. RGB to RGB. Convert. How do I name this? Convert RGB to what is it? Converter. Why you want to do why do you want RGB? Why not draw directly in YCbCr? Because YCbCr is a little complicated. I don't know. We could draw in YCbCr directly, but so I will show you. So YCbCr is a little bit pain in the butthole. Boom. So YCbCr. So if you do RGB to YCbCr, if you take this, fuck off, give me the, where was the tool which I can just put, there was a thing that I can just put RGB and then you get the YCbCr from it. Reference. What? There was a website that, wait a minute. Oh, here, okay. Wait, didn't, no, not this. No, not this. It was something. What? RG converter online. For fuck's sake, where's the website? Not this. It was just simple box, like three box, hit generate, you get the color. God fucking damn it. Yeah, fuck it. I didn't find anything. Wait. Say RGB to I think Google is. Was it this website? No. this. Yeah, this one. Wow, means that you really can read your son's mind. Yeah, this one, just 3 boxes and 3 boxes. Yes, why don't it just show up on Google? This is the best thing, like best website for. Right, this one, yes. File format. How do I go? Let's see, file format. Yes, I even have the thing. Yes, I have been to websites. So okay, here. Yeah, this one. So if you want to generate red color, you do 0 0, boom, you get red. And then so in Y, so in this format you get different color. It's a little bit weird. I'm not used to like 76 this, but if you put this value to the program, you will get red. But yeah, it's kind of confusing. But so if you use RGB, so you could just how do I say it? You could just you could just take a function and then put just say, oh, I want red color, so it's easy to say 255, and then it will just output as this, and you can take this value and then do computation with the thing. Yeah, I think this website is so good. Like, why isn't on the Google and stuff? Yeah. RGB is complicated. You think so? Don't you think YCbCr is more complicated than this? Like, it's easier to remember 255. So it's like red is 25500, but in this format it's 76. And if you convert it back, it will be offsetted by 1. So if I press this, I think this value will change. So yeah, you'll get 154, which is, yeah, and then it's like offsetting. I don't know if it's the bug on the website bug, or it's just how it is. Yeah. I don't know. 3 minutes to click. Only took 3 minutes to click. Wait, one. He's mentally ill. He mention that he's from Thailand. The page was the first headphone. Both are complicated. Really, this didn't show up. Like, okay, let's see. RGB youth online converter. No. Oh, it was here. What? No, then the Google just tracked me, and then they just give me. Before that, it wasn't here for sure. A 3-minute lag. Show. This one has slightly graphics. Ooh. I see. Yeah, I saw this like what was it? It was something like this one. Wait, no. What was it? here YPR PB. So let's say I want a red, let's say 25500. Complete red would be the other website was showing 76, 78, so let's find 76, 78. No. These are different values. Oh, I remember. So if you go to Wikipedia, I remember what if you take the y like the y, you just the range is 0.0 to 0.5, I think. So if you, it's a luma, right? Component, it's where was it? It was telling me it was like 0.1 0.0 to 0.5. Yeah, I don't know where did I read that, but I thought it was in here. I don't know. Oh, right here. You see this? 0.5. Yeah, it was somewhere in here. I forgot. I read about it. It was telling the value of y should be 0.0 to 0.5. So I think they just made it too simpler. So it 0.3 and then this is 0.5. Yeah, so it's, I don't know, it's like different value. So similar to RGB, RGB has like different value to represent different stuff. So I think this is like hex. So you can think about like 0.3 and 0.5 is like the hex version of RGB. So RGB has a hex version. So it will be FF0000, and this is something like they have some different format for it. I don't know where did they get 0.2. What language is that? It's C. Color ratio YPRPB, which is different. Also the scale is minus 0.5 instead of color is complicated. Yeah. Your stream is crazy delay 5 minutes. Really? Am I that delayed? Let's move my hand. How many seconds it takes? No, it's not delayed. Like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Oh yeah, I think the chat. So yeah, my chat is down here. So I see, like, the main monitor is here and the chat is down there, down in my laptop. So yeah, and then you think your message was delayed or something, but I'll try to read chat more. Okay, so let's increase. I don't know how to increase it, but yeah, I do see. So if you don't know, it is like this. I will show you. So basically this is the laptop here, right here, right? And then this is the chat, and then this is the main monitor. So just the camera set right? Okay, very good. Telling too much. Show your chickens. I don't have chickens. But you can hear some chicken sounds, I think. Maybe our bird sounds. So converter. Let's do some converter. All right, convert RGB to this. Basically, why I'm doing this is I'm a little bit familiar with RGB than YCbCr, but C is fast. Who cares, right? So if we pull up our trusty little formula, which would be int y would be 16 plus. Do I want to hand code this? The answer is fuck no. RGB formula, RGB to YCbCr formula. It's supposed to be at least float, not int. Thank you. I agree. I totally forgot about that. So this guy, no. So y would be this. Google. Thank you Google. Hello? Why? Okay. Looks good to me. Gloat. Looks good to me. CB and then CR, which would be this guy. So let's double check. Looks good to me. So okay, so we need to pass in that was not weird. I was smashing some mosquitoes. So RGB. Yeah, I need to add something to Swagger. So if I want to just replace R with another, like this is capital R and replace with small r, but only in this selected line, how could I do that? GU what? What the fuck? Oh, you were close, you had extra strength. You are a genius. Wait, I was not thinking about that. So my value was small r GB, and then you just said do GU to just uncapitalize the thing. But what I was thinking is doing this and then like, okay, replacing R and then G. Wait, someone is calling me, just a second. God fucking damn it. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, I was thinking replacing this, but yeah, man, you are a fucking genius. So it was R. Wait, you were close, you had extra slash, so I assume it was R, and then replace it with, I mean, big R replace with small r, which is, no? Did I do something wrong? Which is, oh, percent this, which, wait, it means something like this. Blah blah blah. I see. So it was like this, and then S with big R, and then small r, and then G. I see. Yeah, I think your way is better, so we got that one. So we got the converter. So run on this line. Oh wait, don't write slash. Okay, percent means run on this line. Also, like, I usually do like this as what you said, so frame count, and then just another thing, and then I will do C, and then press hit Y to say yes or no. So I guess it's like on the line. Also it does so this means run on the visual selected line. Oh, okay, so I have questions. So if I say frame count, right, let's just pretend frame count, right? How about if I'm here, this line, I said this, I say frame count, which is, let's say, just say ASD, and then I hit C. This will go to as many things as it found. So you can replace this, and say no. Wait, do I have frame count above me? No, I don't. I think I have. No, I don't have frame count above me. So let's say my cursor is here. I did this frame count. Oh, it starts. I see. So it doesn't really matter. I thought it was like percent %s was like from the cursor going down, but it doesn't really matter. So okay, cool. Hi, Zippy. What's up, Zippy? Vim in 2021, C in 2021, not trends in 2021. That's dollar, comma dollar. I am sub to shrink. That's dollar. What you mean dollar? You're going to start Bible stuff. What? Make. Oh fuck. Oh. Mickey. Oh, we got the warning. Cool. We didn't use. Cool. Okay, so let's generate. What's your favorite color? Anyone have any favorite color? What's your binding? You wanna see my Vim RC? You wanna see it? Really? Zippy? You wanna see my Vim RC? ls.la Vim? Huh? No Vim RC. By the way, I don't have Vim RC. So yeah, no Vim RC. Nothing. Good old plain Vim. But I'm just kidding. So usually I didn't set it up yet. I'm lazy. But if you want to see, you could go to this. I'll give you the linky. By the way, this is just all copy paste from Striker's VMRC, so don't no, it's not mine. I stole it. Are you poor? Yeah. Basically, it's a bunch of Striker's VMRC and stealing from him, and you know. But yeah, I don't know how many how many lines it is. 75 lines. Yeah. What are stolen is this is stolen from Striker. This is stolen. This is stolen. This is completely stolen, and this is little stolen. This is not stolen. This is stolen. This is stolen. This is kind of stolen, but in my way of stealing it. Yeah. And this is completely stolen. Yeah. And this is, I guess this is kind of stolen too. I don't know, it's a bunch of stolen stuff, but I didn't set up yet. AFK masturbate. Striker, didn't you have a girlfriend? You should find someone, you know. But don't find a girl that said you're living in a bubble. If someone said that to you, just tell me, okay? I'm gonna rip that girl head off. Man, that girl really breaks my heart. I just said I said like, oh, it was like, the girl was like, in Thai they don't usually speak Thai. It's weird, but in my area they don't speak Thai, so not saying they don't speak Thai, they speak Thai, but so I do play basketball sometimes, and there are a bunch of foreigners who speak. So there was a girl I approach, and then I say, what's your name, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, and then, by the way, I known her like a year or two, so we were friends, and then we were talking, and then suddenly, I don't know what conversation we had, and then she just, I don't remember, I think it's like 3 months ago, I don't remember, and then she said to me, "You are living in a bubble." And then my response was like, so I don't want to I was stupid, and I didn't know what was living in a bubble is, so I asked Striker what is living in a bubble, and he explained, and then I come to realize that living in the bubble is not that bad. It have a good meaning and a bad meaning. So he said to me to ask that girl again what do you mean by living in a bubble, because they can say, oh, you're living in, like, what Striker said is like, I don't know what he said. He said something like, I'm not, it's like, how do I say it? Like, you're not, what he said is, you're not like, you don't know other culture, you're living in a bubble, but something like this. So, but that is not quite true because no one knows every culture, you know what I mean? So it's kind of I don't know. So he told me to ask that girl again, and I asked, and then she replied. The epic reply was, the fact that you didn't know that living bubble is that you're living in a bubble. Fuck! That was the fuckiest answer ever. She replied, I asked, what do you mean by living in a bubble? She said, the fact that you don't know what is living in a bubble is living in a bubble. Living in a bubble, which one? I don't know. And then, so it was constant loop. So I asked, I don't know. So, and then someone said just ghost her, and then I said, okay, ghost her. But I was like, I was not angry. I was just like, yeah, fuck her, yeah, fuck you, you know, something like that. But I didn't tell. I was just typing on Discord. So, fuck man, that broke my heart. The fact that you're living in a bubble is not living in a bubble. If I see that girl, you know, smash that girl. I'm just kidding. Let's see. Let's read the chat. Replace the cursor to the end of the line. Oh, so dollar. Okay, I'll test this. Dollar S frame count. Okay. What is your key in biting? Okay, stealing phones is very color is purple. Okay, I'll generate purple color. So let's make a comment here. Purple, right? Let's generate purple color. So what? Novi Marcy, are you poor? Let's see. Yeah, I do like Vim. Zippy, yeah, it's easy. It's I'm just used to it. I don't know. Yeah. What are you talking about? It wasn't a girl, to be honest. It was a lady boy. No, it was a girl. It was a girl. I smell her stinky little pussy. It smelled like fish, by the way. So it was a girl. She must said you're living in a bubble in response to your views. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what I said, but I think what I did is I did something. Maybe I humiliated. I mean, maybe I just destroyed her in basketball, and then she got angry and just do that. But since then, I never seen her. So, Striker fan stream. Yes. Oh, hello. How are you? Yeah, I'm streaming. By the way, I didn't see your stream quite long, so you should stream sometimes. So, yeah, I'm streaming. Didn't you know I was streaming? I stream sometimes, so yeah, you could come watch and enjoy and talk about girls, and then yeah. So by the way, if you read on the title, pro questions are not allowed, so keep that in mind. Tell her that bubble race. Just insult her. No, the insulting her will not be good. Yeah, even Strager said that. I asked her, I explicitly asked him that should I like say fuck you to the girl. Then he said like, oh, don't do it. It will. Then her friends will think I'm a loser. So currently I'm a winner now. So let's go. She mind fuck. Yes, she mind fuck me. She said I'm living in a bubble, but not explaining me why I'm living in a bubble. But who gives a fuck, right? Living in a bubble, which is it good bubble though? I think so. I hope it's a good bubble. Maybe we are in a programming bubble. I don't know. Smart people bubble. But she didn't said like, and reply was just the fact that you didn't know living in a bubble is living in a bubble. So fuck. I know that living in a bubble. I know that I live in. But don't you think everyone lives in a bubble anyway? So I could say someone like, oh, you don't know the Thai culture. You are living in a bubble. And he could, if he's like German, French, he will say like, oh, you don't know French, you're living in a bubble. How the fuck should anyone expect to know everything, you know? I don't know what she mean by that, but it was long time. It was like 4 months ago. But yeah, that's kind of shit way to insult someone. Like, you don't know Thai, so I'm gonna say you're living in a bubble. Fuck, that doesn't make any sense. Become a god tier programmer. Make sure your money gets some tight. Yes, pussy plays a role in becoming a good programmer. Yeah, I don't really know how to talk with girls, but yeah. But I can be sure that girl pussy stinks. Yes, I smell that. It was fish, like rotten fish. I can explain it. It was rotten fish with some mustard on it, which is probably be expired mustard on a rotten fish. That was the smell. So if you want to smell it, just buy a rotten mustard and a rotten fish, combine and smell it. That was the who the fuck called me? Getting so much phone call. I don't know pro question. I don't know pro answers. Okay, that's good sign. You were in basketball bubble. Let her win. We didn't compete, by the way. I mean, she had a friend which she have a boyfriend, but not boyfriend in terms of relationship. A boyfriend is like a friend who has a penis. You know what I mean? A boy and a friend. So separate boyfriend, right? How do I say it? So she came with probably like 3. So there was like 2 boys and 1 girl. So which is so basically there were 4. The girl who said I was living in a bubble, and there was 3 more, which is 1 girl and 2 boys. So, and they were friends, and then yeah, I destroyed the guy. Maybe she got angry. I don't know. But I won basketball. I compete with that guy and I won. So, but not with the girl. If I compete with a girl, the girl would probably lose, but I will not let her win. But the score would be like 9. Let's say the winning score is 10. It will be 10-8. But I completely destroyed the guy. It was like 10-4, 10-2, or something like that. Looks like you already know which bubble you are living in. Smart programming rich. Yes. I wonder if, yeah, let's live in that bubble. Why not? Smart programming rich. The things about bubble that is you should know that you are living in a one. Yeah. Like, isn't everyone living in a bubble anyway? You're rich, but you don't know. Yeah. correct. If you're rich living in a rich bubble, and you don't really know how poor live, but you might have an experience when you are poor, and then when you're rich, then you forgot about that experience, but you can still remember, but you want to live poor. It's like just like culture. Like if I live in Thai, if I'm Thai, I living in Thai culture, I don't know French, so it's like that. But I don't know, maybe the girl is just stupid and telling like, oh, you're living in the bubble. You're living in the bubble. Fuck you, The girl is calling. No, if the girl calls, you know what I'm gonna do? Fucking turn on the microphone, pump it to like not -55, pump it to 00, and let's talk. Let's talk. Don't you like eating fish? Yes, I like eating fish, but not rotten fish. Was she good looking? I would say yes. Yes. I'm 17 now. I think she was like 16, 15. Yeah. She was okay, but yeah. If she said that, then yeah, it just expressed her shit. I mean, not shit. Like bad side. So yeah, let's go still. Like, but if I see her again, I won't say it as like, oh, fuck you, or you said to me like that. But I won't say it. But I'll just continue. But if her friend want to compete with me, then let's go. Not in a fight. I mean basketball, right? Basketball. I mean, I like basketball, so you might like hit the hoops. Yeah. Oh, thank you for following, Kisser. How do I say it? Kisser, Kenzer. How do I say your name? Kisser. I'm bad at names. Whatever. Taking long. No, I think it's taking long time to nut. Yeah. CP, you're keeping track of him. Okay, let's generate some colors, purple color, and I guess yeah, let's see how it works, and then if we get the purple color, and then we might stop streaming. I don't know. I might stream, I might not, but let's see. Okay, let's see purple color. So basically, if we have YCbCr, we could just put it to pixels. So by the way, if we want to put in the pixel, we need pixels, the array. So we could say pixels array. We probably need a loop. So because why we need a loop? Because we want to go to all the pixels. I mean, we want to go to each individual of pixel and assign to that pixel. So that would be for int I equals 0, right? I less than pixel size, and then we don't have pixel size because I'm a fucking idiot. Pixel. Wait, why do I have pixel size? Wait. What? Okay, pixel size. Pixel with an S. Nugget. Pixels. Yeah, I was wondering why do I have like plural and singular pixels. So we need pixel size. Yes. And then plus. So the loop will go to pixel size. No. Wait. best purple color is 800080. Really? Let's see. I think it's not purple. Let's see, hex color. By the way, it's just on my window machine, so you can't really see it. So purple. Okay. So RGB is this color. So 1280126. Okay, so we could use that, right? So let's make a note. So we would use 1280126. Right. 128. Okay. So we could go to each individual pixels. That's how we use space. But we could loop to X and Y, and then we could write, like, if you go to X and Y, we could do X into width plus X. You know what I mean? So Y would be going to the height, and X would be going to the rows. Oh no, going to height and width, and then but whatever, we could just what the fuck I'm doing? Okay, it's like this, and then we could say Y, pipe it with CB, and then pipe it with CR. And then if we makey, we get an error. You have a float. Oh, you can wait. Can't I assign a float? RGB converter float. You have a float and float. Yes, that's what I need. Int. What? Oh, that was that was just what I generated. I thought we got some colors. No. So, oh, I guess I guess we have to call the function random color. So we might omit this first, and then we might take this, shoop, boink, 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 boink. What the hell? Up, and then RGB converter, and then up there, boom, right here, and then we could say R would be what? 128, I think what you said. Okay, and then G would be 0, and then B would be 126. In pixel would be just normal good old pixels, and then in pixel size with this, and then we run make. We don't need. Okay, compiler, you smart boy. We need this. Dash motherflipping sauce. But we could do int. Let's just try int, how it works, and we make it. What color do we get? Whoa, you see that? We got an pinkish. You wanna zoom? Wait. Whoa! It changes color. Wait. What? No. Wait, I'm confused. You are getting green. Like, like if you see here, this is the Twitch, I mean the Twitch stream, you're getting green. But if you go to my screen, what the motherfucking flopping shit is this? Yup. You get it pinkish. Holy moly. Is something wrong? Wait. You're getting green, I'm getting pink. How about if I zoom? Like if I zoom, now I'm getting green. I just use the Linux zoom. Now I'm getting green. Whoa. Oh, I think my monitor is like seeing the, if you see this, seeing the pink dot, and then it think it's pink. Whoa. Whoop, 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 whoop. Isn't that cool? Okay, let's make this float. Optical illusion. I'll be right back. Just a sec. I'll take I get the phone call again. Just a sec. Okay, I'm back alive. That was just Elon Musk calling me. So just calling me, just like, oh John, you know, my Tesla is not working, can I borrow $1 billion? So I was like, oh yeah, whatever, just take 2 billion. And you know, I was just talking, and he had some engineering problems, so he was asking me. I was telling, oh, you just need this stuff and this, you know. That was just Elon, you know. No, it wasn't Elon. I'm just kidding. Am I being a dick? Why doesn't work? I don't know. Okay, let's print this, right? Let's see, what do we get here? What do we get here? Boom, boom, bing bang, bada bang 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 boom. YCbCr. Boom. What the hell? Wait. Oh. Is it because of the presidents? Yeah, we could take this as an int, I think. Int. All zeros. That doesn't look right. Ah, mother flopping. If we you see this? it's like bracket. You do this first, that first. So Wikipedia said we need to put brackets, so we do this first, which is until B, right? Until B. Which would be here, and then it would go, wait a minute, plus, it's here, and then this would be here, this would be somewhere here. Now with this work, okay. No. I guess we have to do like this. Oh! Because some another, you could create a macro. What is some what do you mean? I don't really understand macro. Like, you mean like a data type? Oh my god, my voice is like so deep. Talking too much. We got different color. It's in definition. What do you mean it's a definition? Thank you for the follow again. Could you show some example? Give me a sec, please. Sure. Yeah, I don't know how to do this. We got something running though. Okay. Yeah, this should be int. Just. Okay, we could use some trick here, if you know what I mean. So you want purple, so 1 2 8, and then it would be 1 2 6, I think. So it would be 52, which we can hard code here, 52, and this would be 169, 69, and then so this will generate purple. No, that was just a cross finger. We could ignore this for now. Warning, yes. Doesn't generate purple. Just a sec. Why does it not give me? Wait, is this a wrong format I'm using? Let's generate red. How about that? Let's generate red. So it would be 76. This would be 76, and this would be 84, and this would be 2 to 5. So I'm sorry, 2 to 5, and then make. What? We get a yellow? You are seeing green. I'm seeing yellow. You seeing this? This is yellow, my guy. And if you see this Twitch stream, you get green. What the hell? This is green. Could you see it? Yeah, this is green. And this is yellow. What the hell? Something is wrong. Huh. Well, I think it's just like OBS being weird. YCbCr. So we passed in, let's pass like something simple. So let's pass in 255, and then this would be just 0. We're passing in red color. The thing is wrong. Yeah, the thing is completely wrong. Anyone know why it's wrong? I think, for Microsoft One RGB, you will get we have different formula for different things. Let's see how he did it.
Maybe it would make sense for me to do job security and building. That's for sure. Yeah. But I'm having to. Let's see how that.
Did he just write that by hand?
So maybe here I'm going to also enroll that in the expected into from us. I'll probably have into the so this entire thing is going to source. I suppose it would be kind of cool. See, but so fucking annoying. I didn't even know which one to do this. Like, that's the difference. So let's actually see what.
I don't know how he even do that. Yeah. So YCbCr. Fucking nugget. I'm so dumb. I'm one piece of dumb fuck ever. Dumb. This is dumb. Because I forgot that we need frame. Oh, we do have frames. Wait a minute. So we generate this. We are taking this and and it oh kind of confused right now. So random this. Blah, 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 blah. I think I know why it's happening. You know why? Because we need an hexadecimal, I think. I'm not sure. Not quite sure. But let's see. Okay, so okay, so we could do CB. We could take CB and then do no, we could take CB and then we could say CB and XFF, so we get the RGB value, I mean as a hex, and then in here we could use something, wait, yeah, we could hard code this for a second and then we could use CB, which would be considered wait, where the fuck is my cursor? Whoa, I think I lost my cursor. Hello? Where's my cursor? Yo, my cursor is gone. What the hell? Vim cursor. Invisible. Wait, my cursor is gone. I got my back. Oh, don't know what happened, but see. Wait. Oh, okay. Makes sense now. So 8 multiplied by 0 into 0, which and then CB would be 8 multiplied by 1, I think. 8 multiplied, I think. Yeah. Is that right? So now if we do make, oh, look at that, we got a purplish color. Wait, why do you get white? I get purple. This is purple, and you are getting white. By the way, this is purple, so webcam, please focus. Can you see this? It's purple. Weird. Oh, now I'm getting different color. Um, 0.3, let's see. Int. Okay. 16. I think the precedent is confusing. Does look about right. Oh, we got green. We got green. And then y would be y would be y like this, and y would be shift 8 2 bits, like this. 81. No, I get green. Should I be getting... Should I be getting something else? Red. So it'll be $81.90. Oh, that's completely off. The math is wrong, by the way. So yeah, the math is wrong. Oh, holy shit! I should give it as a fragment. Oh my god. Okay. I didn't know that I need a fragment for faggots. GB and G and a B and D and a blah blah. Then F oh, if where can I send the code to? Did you could say to pastebin if you want. Just a sec. You could send it to here, pastebin, and you can send it to link to me or yeah, that would be a good idea if you send it there. Ah, that hurts. So we get a fragment, and then if you make wait, no. Oh, it's I always make this mistake. It should be float, and then yep, it should be float, and then this should be float, I guess. Float, no, float, which would be the same thing. Yeah. Yeah, this is painful. So why would be that? RGB to YCbCr. Okay, let's take this formula. That's what programmers do. Copy paste. Okay, and then we can break it up. Yep. Then yep. Then yes. So would this work? If we do this, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. What the hell? And? No and, please. Did you manage to send in pastebin? Wait. Operand. Wait, why? So this is... that's gonna be float, but I need to fit fraction. Oh, okay. Yeah, take your time. It's okay. But yeah, I need... Fuck. This is gonna be 0. That will generate the screen. Yeah, man, that's painful. Wait. RGB, and then really. Let's add this to our now if we print this as a float, do we get... So we could ignore this for now. We get all a bunch of zeros because I'm a fucking moron and I forgot to do something. What? Shouldn't be 0 though. FB. Zero? Are you sure about that? Oh my fucking lord. Now we talking. 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 Man, I was so dumb. Young, dumb, and broke. Now we talking. Now we get. Wait, we got some same number as this. Very good. Oh, thank you. Paste bin. Let's see. I will open on my thing. Okay. So just a sec. I need to pee. I'll be back. By the way, I'm not a boxer. That was just testing a frame rate on my camera. Bang, 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 bang. That's a mic test and shit. Okay, I'm back. Back alive. Yeah. Anyway, 3E. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Let's say sir. Thank you anyway for giving this code. So really appreciate it. I will take a look at it now. Right? Let's take a look at your code. So how did you do that? Let's say let's see. Then we could do this. Doesn't work. Okay, never mind. So okay. So what you did is RGB 000. Oh, you why T? T is this Cal? Okay, let's try to put like, okay, let's say we do red, right? GCC. Okay, I get that out. Is it correct though? Kind of correct, but the number is not same. Yeah, anyway, let's put this number, right? Let's put that number. Maybe this number, it was this, and then 0, and then 87. so I would expect to get same number. I'm not quite sure if calculation is correct because we changed stuff. Okay, so where do I make the changes to test the code? I mean, I could just take this again. I could just take this again and just, man, there's mosquitoes. Yeah, and then let's run it. A that out. GCC this, and then A that out. Yeah, I don't know. Like, what's the value of RGB? Could I find it? Like, you set RGB to 0, but so how about oh no, formula, I change on the formula. This is the new version. This is just I copy paste new version of your thing. So yeah, I'm not sure how you did, but I was if RGB is 00, wouldn't YCbCr would be 0002? Okay. Yeah, we could. You mean, okay, you mean this formula I change? Maybe. Let's see. So we got this value. So if we want to, I have an idea. Like, I think your solution also works, but I will try yours too. Okay, so so let's my CB. Let's like render every frames with CR. I mean CbCr. Get a solid green because is this a green, and then how about we do 255 and then 0. I would expect to be red. Oh man, got green. Yeah, formula is wrong, I think. Yeah. I don't know. Hope its formula is wrong, I don't know. Yeah, anyway, I might have to stop streaming now, so it's like 3 hours already of streaming. I need to take some lunch and stuff. I eat some lunch, not take some lunch, eat some lunch. So, anyway, thank you, sir, for submitting your code. And yeah, I will take a look at it. But if you want to contribute to my project, by the way, the project is open source, so you could contribute to it and have your name on my project, so you could be a contributor because it's open source. And also that's the beauty of open source. You could contribute there, or you could submit a pull request, or you could ask me. if you're on Discord, you can go to Discord. You can ask me on Discord too, and we will work. We will do together if you want to contribute. If you're interested in how do you say it? Interest in it, right? Interest in it, and thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow too. Yeah. So thank you, Kizer. I don't know. Sorry for if I pronounce your name wrong, but thank you for helping me. My voice is getting deep. My voice is getting deep now. So thank you Zippy too. Thank you Strager, aka my dad. Who was there? Thank you Fruzzer, right? Thank you Guy from Mars. Thank you anyone who is in the chat. If I didn't name your name, that's how you say it. I know. Thank you Matt Flash too. Yeah, forgot about Matt Flash. So yeah, you need to push your latest changes. Yeah, but I would push this. So let me make something work. So I'll push it, and then you could see the latest code. But to be honest, it's nothing changed much. It's just like I think it's changed much. So yeah, I will push it to GitHub. So don't worry about it. Yeah, and you could contribute and do some stuff as you like. So if I don't mention anyone's name or dude man, thank you dude man. Yeah, thank you anyone watching me who support and who helped me to get Vim or programming or C or anything. So yeah, thank you very much. So I'll be streaming, not sure, tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow or maybe 2 days later, maybe after 6 hours I might be streaming. So yeah, see you. Peace. You wanna raid? Anyone wanna raid? Anyone have a raid target? You wanna raid someone? Huh? You wanna raid someone? How about that, huh? Anyone have a raid target? Anyone like do anyone stream? I can raid you if you want, but I might not have much viewer, but let's make some mutual connection, right? Anyone have a raid target that that we could raid them and help them? Any suggestion? Yeah, I guess so many chickens. Yeah, I guess no raid for today. So if anyone have a raid suggestion, I could raid, but for now no one have a raid suggestion. So yeah, so bye, peace in the Middle East.